Welcome back. We are joined now by Dr. Timothy Jochen of Contour Dermatology, and we just discussed how Halloween makeup, everybody likes to use it in place of wearing the mask, or most people do. In fact, it's probably a better idea. They just came out with another study about how much bacteria is in those masks, but using the makeup could also lead to some problems. And tell us, what are some of those issues that people may encounter?
Well, people are going to do crazy things to make makeup this time of year. They're going to mix latex with breadcrumbs. They're going to mix corn syrup with food dyes. They're going to use permanent markers on their skin, and then they're going to use traditional makeup. So the traditional makeups can lead to clogged pores, which can lead to acne-type lesions on your skin. And you can
which
also...
are all not good.
Which are all not good.
You'll end up looking scary after the makeup comes off.
Exactly, exactly. And then you can also develop contact rashes to different makeups as well. So, you know, some people know if they're sensitive to different ingredients in makeups. But if you're not, one thing that you can do is you can take a little bit of the makeup that you're planning on using and applying it to your skin right here in the fold of your arm, and leave it on there for a couple days, and then you'll start to develop an itchy rash if you're allergic to it.
So we should start doing that already now.
Exactly,
probably.
Exactly.
And again, with parents that are doing this for their children, it's important that they do that on the child, not on themselves.
Exactly, exactly.
So tell me some of the safe things that you can do then as far as making or creating that makeup.
Well, I think most of them are pretty safe. You know, corn syrup is pretty not going to cause too many problems. Food dye isn't going to cause too many problems. Traditional makeup that you buy at the store, you know, some people worry about some of the ingredients in there. But, you know, for a one-night event, I don't think it's going to be a really big deal.
Are there any that you should avoid completely?
Well, I think really you have to know your own skin, and you can do the test to see if you're allergic to any of the ingredients, but I don't think they're, you know, everyone's skin is going to be a little bit different. So I think that most of them are safe for a one-night event for short contact.
And how to remove? What are the best ways to remove this? You know, because some of that stuff, what you have to use, like fingernail polish remover to get some of that stuff off.
Well, you know, people are going to be doing fake tattoos. My daughter just smeared my body with these fake tattoos, and I found the best thing to get that off was actually Vaseline. So that was really effective for that. Now, women know about taking off makeup, but for the guys, they don't really know. You want to use a product that's got a little bit of oil in it. You know, I like CeraVe cleanser because it's got natural oils in it that'll take it off. You know, for more stubborn makeup, you're going to want to use mineral oil, perhaps baby oil, to get that off. For the fake blood and things like that, you can use shaving cream to get it off. And for, you know, if you get crazy and use the permanent markers, you might want to use acetone to get it off your skin.
I was wondering about that. Yeah, the people that get really crazy and put the marker on them, how the heck do you get that off? You'll be going back to work with the fake mustache on for
exactly,
a while.
Exactly. Yeah, that's a little bit tougher. But, you know, you can use acetone and you can use alcohol as well to try to get that off. But you probably are going to
get is fingernail polish remover.
Exactly.
Just so you know. Anything you want to say in closing about things that tips that we need to know?
I think, you know, one of the things that people use a lot of too is glitter. Be careful getting it around your eyes, because that can get into your cornea and cause abrasions.
Oh, that's scary.
And, you know, my daughter wears a lot of glitter, so what I use is I actually use a lint brush to get it off. So,
what a great idea.
That works really well.
That's a great idea, because it probably will fall from other places. And there's those fake eyelashes now with the glitter inside them. So, yeah, okay. Well, there you have it. Some great tips for this Halloween, and hopefully you will be dressed to kill, so to speak. Thank you, Dr. Timothy Jochen.